Hello everyone, how are you all doing out there? I am Kate Hill, bringing you the best and unbiased and honest content on property, along with fantastic hints and tips. Today, let's look at how building new property can be a growing opportunity for property investment. Emerging suburbs are often viewed as one of the most promising opportunities in property investment, not always. But with modern infrastructure, new housing and strong economic growth potential, these areas are increasingly attractive for investors looking for affordable properties and long-term capital growth. While these developments present clear opportunities, it's essential to approach them with strategic thinking and a keen eye on the risks. Emerging suburbs offer a blend of affordability and growth potential, making them an ideal investment choice for those seeking both good cash flow and capital appreciation. These areas, typically on the edge of major urban centres, are home to large-scale developments featuring modern homes, improved transport links, and the amenities that today's tenants and buyers crave. Developers love these suburbs because of the relative low land cost and the strong demand for housing from young families and first-time buyers. With promises of urban expansion and job creation, these new builds are marketed as the next big hotspot for property investment. Now, for investors, this means an opportunity to purchase properties that are both well-positioned for future growth and located in areas that are undergoing exciting development. Emerging locations can be highly rewarding investments. To maximise success, it is crucial to do the following. Look for suburbs with strong infrastructure plans in place, especially those with improved transport, schools, shopping centres and employment hubs. These areas are more likely to experience sustained demand and growth. Suburbs with consistent population growth are more likely to absorb the additional housing stock created by new developments. Areas that attract a mix of young professionals, families and retirees tend to be higher in demand, obviously, helping stabilise the market. It's important to steer clear of areas where development is primarily speculative. Research whether new builds align with genuine demand rather than just being driven by developer-led marketing hype. Now, this is where your expert property investment advisor can help you. Areas with diverse housing options, such as apartments, townhouses, detached homes, they provide a broader appeal to different market segments. This diversity can protect the area from being overly saturated with one type of property. Knowing who your target market is critical to successful property investment. As always, there's an however. Like any investment, new builds in emerging suburbs can come with some risks that need careful consideration. A large number of new properties coming onto the market at the same time can flood the rental market, which might lead to oversupply. This can cause rental yields to decrease and increase vacancy rates, ultimately reducing the return on your investment. If the demand for housing doesn't keep up with the pace of development, property values can decline. Investors hoping for rapid capital growth might face challenges in markets where the oversupply of housing outpaces buyer demand. Some emerging suburbs can experience speculative development, where projects are built with the expectation of quick returns, but they actually fail to establish the necessary infrastructure or job creation to sustain long-term growth. Now, once the initial wave of excitement fades, then these areas can struggle to maintain their appeal. Ultimately, the key to success in investing in new builds in emerging suburbs is selecting the right location and purchase price. Conducting thorough research on local demand, infrastructure development, population growth is essential. So with the right balance of location and price, investors can capitalise on affordable, high-growth areas that promise solid long-term returns. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can make informed decisions that reduce the risks associated with emerging suburbs and pave the way for successful property investment portfolio in 2025 and beyond. Now, I will keep you posted as always on all things property from around Australia as our year progresses. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you are enjoying the free content. If you're not, go somewhere else. I will see you soon. Bye.